want to teach numbers with one all the way from 1,000 to 999,000, we need to first understand these numbers of 300, 10, 20, 1. So we can start by showing students 321. So if we want to add thousands, we have to understand what 1,000 looks like. This is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So if we write 1,321, we see that the number is 1,000 with the 300 and the 21. If we add another 1,000, that makes 2,000. If we add another one, we would change the number to 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, and I show students this in the class, 8,000, and 9,000. So then we would write the number of 9,321. But what happens if we add one more 1,000? Well, we know that 9 plus 1 makes 10, so 9,000 plus 1,000 makes 10,000. So then we can write 10,321, showing the whole number like this, 10,321. If we add another 1,000, that makes 11,000. So we keep on adding thousands all the way up. So if we add more and more and more, 12, 13, 14, 15, all the way up to 99,000, we would still write the number like this, 99,321. And if we add one more 1,000, we know that 99 plus 1 is 100. So 99,000 plus one more 1,000 would be 100,321. And then we would keep on adding thousands, 101,000. And when I show students this, we imagine how many thousands we could put all the way around the classroom to make 101,000. And then what would happen if we had 201,000, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, to get a really big visual of how big that number is. 999,321. So once we do this, we want to show them, well, we can now start writing any number. So if I say 10,000, you would write 10. You hear the word thousand. The comma separates the thousands with the hundreds, tens, and units. So we would write 10,000. Let's say I say 451. So I would continue writing the number like that. 10,451. What if I say 321,000? I hear the number 321, and then I say the word thousand, and then I have the number 321 again. So 321,321. So after we practice this in the class and have a discussion, then I ask students to write 6 spaces several times for the numbers that I'm going to say out loud and for the students to write them down on their whiteboards. So I will say, okay, first number, 102,000. Listen carefully, 102. So students understand, they know how to write the numbers 102. They just have to write them there because they say thousand. 102,612. Next number, 51,000. Well, I only said 51, so I can't write a number there because 51 has 2 digits. So 51,406. Well, I know how to write 406, and we will remember the 0 there. 6,999. And last number, 960,450. So we want to practice numbers with the zeros in different places, and then we ask students to reread them at their own desks or with a partner out loud, 102,612. And they can even check it off after they're done, or their partner can check it off. 51,406, 6,999, 960,450. And then we can keep practicing things like that every few days to make sure we understand place value. And once we know that, we do the same thing, and then we add the word millions, and we can do the same number. Let's say 960,960,450, and we would practice in the class with millions.